In software development, there's a practice called retro. And during this, at the end of like a 2-week sprint, all the engineers have a meeting to reflect about how the past 2 weeks went. And this is the time where you can talk about what went well in this past 2 weeks, give shout outs or kudos to one of your colleagues, and also talk about any areas of improvement. And this was a totally new concept to me. I never had retros in my other careers, never even heard about it, never heard of people talking about it from other industries. Like when I was a promoter, we never had retros. We never talked about ways we can improve, an opportunity for you to give shout outs for anyone that helped you out. We just did the work. We had meetings every day, but it was just basic announcements. A lot of times it was unnecessary. When I was working in accounting, we never had retros as well. We just did the job. So when I got into tech and saw these meetings every 2 weeks, I thought it was odd. Like, what's the point of it? So I later learned how helpful it was, how unique this idea is, and you can apply it to whatever endeavor you're doing. And doing these retros helped me get exponentially better in coding, because it made me see areas of improvements. It gave me the opportunity to brainstorm with other people how to get better, how talk about difficult situations that I was progressing on the work, so we can brainstorm and figure out things to get better. And it also felt good to be recognized for your efforts, because sometimes at work you do all this work, sometimes you go above and beyond, you help other people do their work where it doesn't really benefit you, doesn't really advance your career advancements. So it's nice to see other people say things nice about you. And it's also more nice of you getting the opportunity to give compliments to other people. That's actually more fulfilling. It's actually nice to talk about other people and how they helped you, so you can thank them once when they actually help you, and then thank them again doing this retro. So it's nice to look back and look at the positives as well, because when working, it just seems like problem after problem after problem all the time. So it helps scope your perspective to think positively. So at first I thought it was kind of weird, unnecessary, but then I really got the hang of things and was giving kudos, shout outs, improvements every retro with my team. But you don't have to apply this for coding, software engineering. It's for whatever endeavor, whatever business you want. So I'm walking with my dog sitting right now. As you can see, there he is. So making the walk a little tougher. But yeah, you can use this for whatever endeavor you want to do. And because most of the times we do things, but we don't reflect and look back and analyze things we can get better. And they actually do it at a 2 weeks time, which I think is a good cadence. So you can have enough time to do work and get things done, and you can reflect, make adjustments based on it. So I could see like when I was a promoter, we would have all these meetings, but just for announcements that wouldn't be used. But we never brainstorm, mastermind how we can get better, because there was always problems, but we never thought about ways. hey, how can we get more guest lists? They're just talking about, hey, these are the announcements for the week, go on ahead. And then whatever endeavors you're doing, like with your YouTube business, try to get people around and reflect and think back to have ways where you can improve, so you can get better. So that's all I want to share with you today, like this concept of retro in your life. And if you need help with coding, feel free to reach out. And if you need help building out an app idea, feel free to message me too. Thank you.